Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this quick and easy ground beef recipe. Stay tuned. So we're going to start today's recipe off, guys, by adding some meat seasoning, about a teaspoon. Add that to our ground beef. We're going to add a small packet of Szechuan seasoning. Add some paprika, about a teaspoon, not much. We're also going to add some complete seasoning. We're going to add about a tablespoon of that. And then we're going to mix everything together. Give it a nice mix until it's nicely combined. We're going to get our skillet nice and hot, guys, and then we're going to add some vegetable oil, add our veggies to it, and then we're going to combine the ground beef and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. Add some oil. Not much, just a little bit. Add my seasoning. Stir it up. And we're just trying to release some of this flavor from the onion, you know, the herbs and spices and all that good stuff, guys. Then we're going to add our ground beef in a few seconds. So we're gonna stir this up, guys, for about 2 minutes until the ground beef, you know, becomes a little bit caramelized and it's almost cooked. Then we're gonna add our veggies right after, and then we're gonna add our beef stock. This entire recipe right here should take only about 10-12 minutes. Yes, guys, so after cooking your ground beef for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat, it should look a little bit something like this. All right, it should already start to boil, and ground beef looking like it's almost ready to go. All right, so at this point you want to add some frozen veggies, about a cup, not much. And for today's recipe, guys, I'm using 1 pound of ground beef. Now I'm going to add some ketchup, just to add a little bit of flavor to it. If you have tomato sauce, you can add tomato sauce as well. I'm just adding a little bit, about 3 tablespoons, not much. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of brown sugar, just to add a nice sweetness to it. Mix it up. This is gonna be so good, guys. Like I said, you want to add some beef stock. I'll be adding about a cup. Stir it up again. And the beef stock, guys, is gonna add a nice little salty flavor to it, and that's gonna allow, you know, the ground beef to keep its flavor, you know, keep all the flavors combined that we added earlier. All right, so at this point, like I said, guys, you're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat, and you should be good. All right, stay tuned for the finished product. Yes, guys, so after about 5 to 6 minutes, after adding all the ingredients, this is how it's looking. It's good to go. So we're gonna add this on top of some creamy mashed potatoes and enjoy. I'll let you know how it turned out, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're gonna top it off with some Parmesan cheese. A little bit of parsley. And that is it, guys. That is beautiful.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think